Welcome to our video on programming languages in robotics. I'm your guide, Zaina Ramsey with Ehas Academy. We'll explore the essential languages that enable hardware interaction, real-time processing, and algorithmic computation, crucial for developing advanced robotic systems and applications.
Python is a versatile, high-level language widely used in robotics for its simplicity and extensive libraries. It supports rapid prototyping, algorithm development, and integration with complex systems, making it ideal for control systems and sensor data processing. 100 and C++ are low-level, compiled languages known for high performance and precise hardware control. They are perfect for robotics applications requiring real-time processing, such as developing control algorithms and programming microcontrollers.
Java offers a write once, run anywhere approach, making it suitable for cross-platform robotic applications. Its robust standard library and multi-threading support are beneficial for building large-scale industrial robots and autonomous systems. The Robot Operating System, ROS, is a middleware framework providing tools and libraries for robot development. It supports multiple languages, primarily Python and C++, and facilitates communication between software components in robotic systems.
MATLAB is a high-level language used for numerical computation and visualization in robotics. It's often employed for designing control algorithms, simulating robotic systems, and processing sensor data, thanks to its extensive mathematical libraries. JavaScript, with Node.js, is used in web-based robotics interfaces and control systems. It enables remote monitoring and control, making it ideal for IoT applications and educational robotics kits like LEGO Mindstorms.
The choice of programming language in robotics depends on the application and hardware requirements. Python and ROS are popular for beginners, while C++ and Java are preferred for advanced applications, with MATLAB favored in research settings.